Welcome to another episode of Asia Unscripted. What is today? All these days kind of run the same. Kind of like Groundhog Day, I guess. Today is Thursday, April 9th. So we're almost to mid-April. This is J.M. Delmar Avenue. This is a street that usually is very busy, but right now, obviously, it is not. The coffee shop across the street, the burger shop, the bakery, everything's closed except for the convenience stores. More things than usual are closed today because this is what they call Holy Week in the Philippines. These are the days that lead up to Easter, which is coming up this Sunday. I believe they call today Maundy Thursday. Someone correct me if that's wrong. Normally on this day things would be closed anyways. The Thursday and Friday before Easter, normally the malls would be closed. A lot of stores and restaurants would be closed. So I guess today is kind of a normal day then. The traffic is dead. If you look down this way, see, you guys see all those vans? Those are the vans for the call centers to get their employees to work. Since there's no public transportation of any kind, that's what they're doing. They're taking the vans, the free vans. You know, the company's paying for them. So they're giving people two options. They're giving people the option of the van, and one call center that I know of, that I used to work for a decade ago, is offering hotel rooms to their workers. So if they want to stay closer to work, they have the option of a free shuttle from near their home to this place is usually bustling. A free shuttle to and from home, or a free hotel room, which is shared. Malls closed, obviously. But what's interesting is the 7-Eleven across the street is closed too. There's a 7-Eleven over there. Not often do 7-Elevens close up, but they do. The reason I'm outside right now, I'm trying to find a restaurant that's open. I got food at home, but I kind of need to walk. Oh, there's one place that's open. This little food court was closed last week, but one place is open. Well, that's good to know, in case I can't find anything else. The Rose Pharmacy is still open. This one's open 24 hours a day. What's new? Well, the enhanced quarantine in Luzon, Manila, has been extended to April 30th. I knew that was going to be extended. That's where 80% of the virus cases are right now, is up in Luzon. Very few here. I think here on Cebu, there's only been one case in the last week, one new case. Now, granted, they're not doing much testing, but, you know, we'll take it. The mayor of Cebu City yesterday he repeated himself. Our enhanced quarantine is going on until April 28th. So it's still going to be a few weeks before he decides if that's going to be the definite date or if he's going to extend it. But I would imagine if we don't get too many more cases here on Cebu, that he might lift some of the closures. I think it will go back to a general quarantine where most everything is open, but you still got to practice the social distancing. I predict masks will still be required. You just can't keep things closed for so long. Without mentioning names, I've talked to several Filipinos over the last week. Some telling me they have nothing to eat. One person told me they are eating leaves and grass. If that's true or not, I don't know, but this person has no reason to lie to me. Some of the barangays have been giving out food, but a lot of people haven't been getting their food for whatever reason. So there are, and the same in the US, there's a lot of hungry people right now. So the next couple weeks, I'm afraid if we don't see people dying from the virus, we might see people dying from hunger, sickness, other sicknesses related to that. So we'll see. And I think that's part of the reason why I think they will relax some of the rules here. People need to go back to work. A lot of people here, they get paid by the day. So now for like 2 weeks now that they haven't been getting their daily salaries. So a lot of people suffering. I've helped. I help when I can, but unfortunately I can't help everybody. I have to watch out for myself too, because I'm in a foreign country, so if things go south for me, I'm in big trouble. So that's why I don't go out very often. I go out to make these videos. I go out to get some foods. There's still people walking around. The call centers are still going. Last week, Yellow Cab was open, but now they're closed. Yellow Cab Pizza. That's the closest thing we can get to New York style pizza in the Philippines. So yeah, not a lot of traffic here. Normally I would be standing here for a long time to try to cross the street. This kind of reminds me of like Sunday in the States. If you go around a lot of medium-sized cities, small cities, yeah, there's not going to be a lot of traffic on Sunday. I've never seen the Philippines like this. Any other updates? Some of the quarantine passes now have transferred to an online app, so you don't have to carry around a piece of paper. Unfortunately, they're not available for the iPhone yet. There's a bakery that's open. Very nice. Might have to go in there in a little while and see if they have any loaves of bread Pharmacy is open. No mask, no entry. Which I kind of don't agree with, because there's not a lot of places to buy a mask. So I noticed that some public buses in the US are now requiring a mask to ride the bus. There was a bus driver in Detroit who died of the virus recently. He did a video online complaining about this lady that coughed on the bus several times without covering her mouth. And he did that video. A few days later, he started to feel sick. And then about a week after that, he died. So now a lot of these transit systems in America are requiring masks, which they should. A lot of people don't have manners, unfortunately. This is an extension of Ayala Mall, Ayala Central Block. These are all restaurants that haven't been open in weeks now. So all these people that work here don't have any salary coming in. So I'm hoping after the 28th that some of these people can return to work. I'm sorry, there's not much more to update because it's a holiday week. A lot of the government people that were working are now off. So pretty much everything is the same. It is a beautiful day though. Blue sky. The pollution is almost non-existent. So it's wonderful. And anyways, I just my last video I said I was at like 500 and something subscribers. Now I'm almost at 650. You guys have been really awesome spreading the word about the channel, subscribing, liking, commenting. I appreciate you guys that comment. I have a really good group of people that are watching my videos and participating. All right, so I did find a restaurant across the street, Joni's Sizzlers and Roast. They appear to be open, so I'm gonna grab something to take out, and then I'll walk home. But yeah, so for Asia Unscripted, I am Jason, and I will talk to you guys again in a couple of days. Take care.